Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Unfolded. I'm Alice. Every week, we unfold one piece of English together, simply, naturally, and with a lot of fun.
Hey everyone, I'm Jake, and I'm happy to be here. Well, mostly happy.
Mostly? Jake, you look a little tired today. Are you okay?
Yeah, I haven't been sleeping well lately, like at all.
Oh no, how long has this been going on?
Maybe 2 weeks? I get into bed, but my brain just doesn't stop. I stay awake for hours.
Oh, I know that feeling. It's the worst. You're tired, but your brain is just going.
Exactly, like my body wants to sleep, but my mind is like, nope.
You know what? This is actually perfect timing because today we are talking about evening routines, and I think today's lesson might actually help you, Jake.
Wait, really? English class is going to fix my sleep?
Maybe. Let's find out. Let's unfold today's English together.
Everyone, if English Unfolded is helping you, please hit the like button and subscribe.
And share this with a friend. Okay, let's go. So, Jake, let's start simple. Tell me, what do you usually do after work?
Um, I get home, eat dinner, and then just look at my phone for a long time.
Ah, okay. So the first phrase I want to teach you is I usually. This is how we talk about habits and routines.
I usually watch TV.
Exactly. I usually read before bed. I usually take a walk after dinner. It's simple, but it sounds very natural.
Okay, so I usually look at my phone for too long. That's my routine.
Right, and that might be part of the problem, honestly, but we'll get to that. Now, the next phrase, before bed, this is so useful.
Before bed. So, what do you do before bed?
Yes, or I drink tea before bed. I turn off my phone before bed. It just means the time right before you sleep.
Oh, I see. That's easy. What do you do before bed, Alice?
Great question. I usually make chamomile tea before bed, and I read a book, just a few pages, nothing heavy.
That sounds really nice. Very calm.
It really is, and that brings me to today's key phrase, wind down.
Wind down? What does that mean?
Wind down means to slowly relax, to help your body and mind get ready for sleep. Like, I wind down for about an hour before bed.
Oh, so it's like slowing down on purpose.
Exactly. Your body needs a signal like, okay, the day is done, it's time to rest.
And looking at my phone is probably not winding down.
Not really. Phones keep your brain very active. The light, the notifications, all of it.
Yeah, I kinda knew that.
Okay, so here's a helpful phrase. When you want to suggest something to a friend, you can say try plus ing, like try reading before bed, try drinking warm tea.
Try plus the ing form. So I could say, try turning off your phone?
Perfect, that's exactly right. It's gentle, it doesn't sound bossy, just a friendly suggestion.
I like that. It feels nice, not like a lecture.
Exactly. Now let's try a little role play. I'll be your friend giving advice, you be you, the tired Jake.
Ha, that's not hard. I am the tired Jake.
Okay. Jake, you look exhausted. Can't sleep again?
Yeah, I can't sleep at all. I just lie there and think.
Oh, okay. Try winding down earlier, like 1 hour before bed.
1 hour? What do I do for 1 hour?
Well, I usually make tea and read a little. Try doing that before bed.
No phone?
No phone. Try leaving it in another room.
Another room? That's scary.
I know, but try it for one night. Just one.
Okay, I'll try it. I usually go to bed at 11, so I'll wind down from 10.
That's a great plan. And last phrase, when something works, you can say, that really helps.
That really helps. Simple.
Yes, drinking tea really helps. Reading before bed really helps. It's a great way to share what works for you.
Oh, and I could say, not looking at my phone really helps, if it actually works.
Yes, and I think it will. This is one of my favorite things to share. A small change before bed, it really does make a big difference.
I hope so. I really need to sleep, Alice.
I know, you'll get there. Tonight, try it, one step at a time. That's how we unfold things, right?
Right, one page at a time.
Okay, let's go over what we learned today, shall we?
Yes. Okay, first, I usually, for talking about your habits. Like, I usually eat dinner at 7.
So easy, but so natural. Just swap in any habit and you're good.
Then, before bed, for anything you do right before sleeping. Try stretching before bed. Try no coffee before bed.
Right, small habits before bed really add up over time.
And wind down, my new favorite. It means to slowly relax and get ready for sleep.
I wind down by reading and making tea. Everyone's wind down looks a little different.
Then, try plus ing for gentle advice to a friend. Try going to bed earlier. Try turning off the TV.
Friendly, not pushy. That's what makes it so useful.
And finally, that really helps. When something works, say it out loud.
Because sharing what works is how we help each other. Jake, every small habit is one more step toward better sleep, and every phrase you learn today is one more door you can open.
Oh, that made me feel sleepy in a good way.
Perfect. That's the goal. Before we go, I have a question for all of you. What do you usually do before bed? Leave a comment below and let us know. We love reading your routines.
And if this video helped you, or if you're also bad at sleeping, please like and subscribe to English Unfolded.
Share this with a friend who needs a better evening routine or just better sleep.
We all do, honestly.
Thank you so much for unfolding today's lesson with us. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and tonight, try winding down a little earlier.
I know I will. Take care, everyone.
Unfold your voice. Speak with Alice. See you in the next episode. Good night.